Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And one of the things that is interesting, and it created a little bit of a discussion yesterday, we talked about Apple. I talked about briefly about what Apple is doing and their VR, AR headset, but it created also a few comments of the hatred of some against Apple, or as a tech guy over 15 years. One of the things that I had noticed is how very distinct each category is. If you go on the Mac side, if you go and, because I fixed Macs. It's not like they're perfect and they don't break. I fixed and I also removed viruses and malware from Mac computers, which surprised a lot of people that thought it was impossible to get infected, which is untrue. There's a lot of these that are kind of overrated, thinking security is better on the Mac, which is not. Except you got to give it for the other devices, not on a Mac computer, because it is a relatively open system that can, a little bit like Windows, install a lot of software and what you want. It's of course safer on iPhones and iPads. And it is, I will say, safer on iPhones and iPads than it is on Android devices because of the nature of the operating system. The closed down nature of iOS makes it more secure, definitely. Android is kind of closed down, but you can actually open it up. You can go into the settings and say you want to sideload apps, and it's going to work. So it kind of adds to the danger of an operating system that you can pretty much install what you want. Also, there's more in warnings about apps that made it through the Google Play Store that had, adware and malware than happens on Apple. But if we go down to the basics of the hatred of the PC and the Mac crowd, you look at what created this. I think it's just created two categories of people. I think it started one with the fact that one snubs the other crowd more. Apple has always pretty much been more expensive in many ways, although some of the latest MacBook Air, for example, can be had for a lower price, but still. I don't know. It's interesting to see that war. And I think that war started with the companies themselves, Apple and Microsoft, going at it at each other. And it created users that went at it at each other also. Like I said, I had a MacBook Pro for a few years, had iPhones. I didn't dislike the devices, and I mostly had them for my work duties, but they were nice devices. And what made me personally not go back to Mac is because my MacBook Pro lasted about 3.5, 4 years before they updated to a new system, and my MacBook Pro was out of the game. And I thought that for the price paid, it was unacceptable that after 4 years it was out of the game. Contrary to Windows machines, that in Windows 10 you could have a 10-year-old machine, and even unsupported hardware can run in Windows 11 with a little bit of tweaks, and you have machines that, like my Toshiba, that's 10 years old and still runs a latest version of Windows. You can't say that with Macs. Macs, you have machines that run outdated versions of Mac OS. They're still running, but they're not, necessarily as secure, and they could have, problems. So there is a difference there, but it's a different crowd. I think it attracts a different style of crowd. And I said it so many times here, and I'll say it again. Mac users are Mac users forever, I think. And like Windows users, most Windows users are Windows users forever. And if there is a future, I think it's going to go towards other things. But I think what really makes the Apple devices more popular is not the Mac computers. The Mac computers themselves have been, for a long time, and still are, a smaller percentage of market share. I think what's really making an importance in the Apple company for sales is really the iPhones and iPads. That's the bulk of what they're doing right now, and these devices are nice. But so the question for today is: are you a Apple hater, or you just don't care, or are you on both? Do you have a Mac and a Windows PC? If you enjoy, or Apple devices like iPads and iPhones. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.